everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we will be unboxing the newest Softflex Company mystery goodie bag. And this was for Dia de los Muertos. They did one for the spooky season for a trick-or-treat bag. That sold out super quickly, but I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description for the unboxing of that kit. I ordered two of them. So you can just see what's inside of these little cute gift bags. And they're always packaged so nicely. And before we look inside of what Softflex has, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. So this is our goodie bag, and this was retail value of $49, and it's on sale for $24.95. If there are any available, I will leave a link down below in the description. And the cool thing about this little goodie bag is it's all items that are available on softflexcompany.com. Included the exclusive Jesse James Bead Mix Dia de los Muertos, and this was for the Great Bead Extravaganza Fall Fest. They had a bead strand and a bead mix that would coordinate with the kit. And I believe the design kit for TGBE is still available, so I will link that down below in the description. We have beautiful ceramic beads, and these are like a maroon color, large hole, so they'll fit over some leather, some silver silk. And then we have these adorable little flowers. We have four of those. Perfect autumn colors. We have a 10-yard spool of our garnet Softflex wire. And we have this strand of beads here. And I'm not sure if this is just a glass bead or if it's like a gemstone. So it could be like an onyx bead. Great tutorials made with this bead mix on the Softflex Company website or their YouTube channel. When Softflex Company puts together these little mini bead mixes and mystery goodie bags, you never know what you're going to get, but they're always such a wonderful value. So we have these howlite or magnesite little skulls, little sugar skulls, and your tassels. Of course, you have a Jesse James bead mix with tassels. These are adorable little hearts. So even though this is for Dia de los Muertos, you could use these for Christmas, for springtime, even Valentine's Day. And these super large fold rondels, those would be pretty to put in for those beads. I think I'll make some earrings with this. So it's a super fun mix. And lots of colors, but perfect for fall. Sarah made a beautiful bracelet with this bead mix and then added in some of the Czech glass sugar skulls. But if you didn't have those, you could use these little howlite ones here and some more little tassels and some spacers. So super fun mix, and it comes with the Softflex wire. So it's like a little mini bead mix ready to go, perfect for a gift. All you would just need is some 2x2s and you're ready to start creating. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Down below in the description for other unboxing videos and tutorials. Have an awesome day.